Ba-ingles. This is a delightful dance from Cabugao, Ilocos Sur. Ba-ingles is derived from the words baile and ingles, meaning English dance. This dance was brought here by the early English tradesmen. Except for the last figure, which is typically Ilocano in mood and movements, all the other figures are similar in nature and mood to some English dances. Figure 1. Forward and backward. Face partner and begin right dance 4 change steps forward to meet partner. Kumintang right and left alternately, free hand on waist. Turn 1/2 clockwise and repeat action of measure 1 to 4 going back to original place, turning 1/2 clockwise on last step to face partner. Figure 2. Male solo. Man, begin right dance 4 change steps forward to partner right side. Kumintang right and left alternately, free hands on waist. Woman, stand in place, clap hands 3 times per measurement. Throughout figure, count 1 and 2. Figure 3. Change places. Kumintang right and left alternately throughout the figure. Begin right dance 2 change step forward to meet partner. Turn clockwise in place with 2 change steps. Pass partner by right shoulder and dance into opposite place with 2 change steps. Turn 1/2 clockwise in place with 2 change steps to end facing partner. Then repeat action. Figure 4. Honor partner. Walk 4 slow steps forward to meet partner. Begin right. Woman hold skirt and man hands on waist. Turn 1/4 counterclockwise and step on right point left toe, behind left right foot, bend knee slightly and look at partner. Kumintang right, left hand on waist. Step on left beside right, turning 1/2 clockwise. Point right toe behind left foot. Bend knee slightly and look at partner. Kumintang left, right, hand on waist. Face partner. Walk 4 steps backward away from partner to original place. Woman hold skirt, man hands on waist. Dance 4 steps in place, right, left, right, left.
Ba-ingles.